Have you ever found yourself struggling with question tags in English? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the common mistakes people make when using question tags in the present continuous tense. Mistake number one: incorrectly using the same auxiliary verb in the statement and question tag. Remember, if your statement is in the present continuous tense with the auxiliary verb am, is, or are, the question tag should use the corresponding form of be. For example, you're studying, aren't you? Not you're studying, are you? Mistake number two: forgetting to change the polarity between the statement and question tag. It's crucial to maintain the correct positive or negative form in both parts. If the statement is positive, the question tag should be negative and vice versa. For instance, she isn't working, is she? Not she isn't working, isn't she? Mistake number three: using the wrong subject pronoun in the question tag. Make sure the subject pronoun in the question tag matches the subject of the statement. For example, they are coming, aren't they? Not they are coming, isn't it? By mastering question tags in the present continuous tense, you can enhance your fluency and accuracy in English conversations. So, next time you're forming question tags, remember to use the correct auxiliary verb, switch the polarity when needed, and match the subject pronoun. Practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills to become a pro at using question tags in English. And there you have it. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to mastering question tags in the present continuous tense. Keep practicing, stay confident, and watch your English fluency soar.